How to play Clash of Clans on PC. So first, you just have to open any web browser and then search for Google Play Games Beta. Okay, so tap this one here. You can either tap the first or the second one. Okay, and then once you tap this, it will take you directly to their site. Now, what you want to do here is to simply select the device or what kind of device are you using. So for me, I'm going to tap Windows. And then here, tap this Clash of Clan. Okay. Now, what you want to do next is to simply tap this download now. And you will be notified above if you can open this one. So tap this folder here, or you can go to your downloads and look for Google Play Games Beta. And then you just have to right click Run as Administrator. Then you will see here that you need to install first. Okay, tap install and wait for a couple of minutes as it is installing. Okay, so once done, tap finish. And then this is what it looks like. Now, what you want to do here is to simply click the search icon here and then type Clash of Clans, or you can simply scroll down and look for Clash of Clans. But if you can see it right here, then you can type it in order for you to see it right away. Okay, so tap and then click install. Wait for a couple of minutes. And then once done, what you want to do next is to simply click play. As easy as that. Then you can now play Clash of Clans on your PC. And that's it. And I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.